Ever wish you could whisper sweet nothings or, helpful nudges into your customers' ears while they're shopping? I mean, not literally whisper. That would be creepy. That's where the WooCommerce Cart Notices plugin comes in. It's like having a tiny, tireless marketing assistant right in your customer shopping cart. My name is Kevin, and welcome to Sleeker Digital. Think of it, a gentle reminder about free shipping for orders over a certain amount, a countdown timer creating urgency, or even highlighting products similar to what's already in their cart. It's all about boosting sales and creating a better shopping experience. In this course, we'll unlock the secrets of cart notices. We'll cover everything from setting up minimum spend notices to displaying category-specific promotions. We'll explore all 5 notice types: minimum amount, deadline, referrer, products in cart, and categories in cart. We'll even show you how to use those nifty shortcodes to place your perfectly crafted notices exactly where you want them on your site. No coding degree required. Promise. Imagine this plugin as your secret sauce for more sales, happier customers, and maybe even a slightly smaller pile of unfulfilled orders. Win-win-win. So, buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's dive into the wonderful world of WooCommerce Cart Notices. Get ready to turn those abandoned carts into checkout champions.